Hello, here we will see how we can register a patient into the hospital or into the system. To register a patient into the system, go to the master form and open the patient information form. From here, you can see that here you can find out for the particular patient record, just finding with the patient name or ID or whatever information you are having for about the patient details, or you can just type it out another entry for getting it saved into the system by just clicking on this different fields. Now I'll give a patient ID over here. Now this patient record gets open in this form. As you can see that all the general information about this patient is shown over here, including his address details as well as his blood group. Now in the bottom part of the screen, what you'll see that in this right side of the screen, there is a functionality called doctor appointment scheduling functionality is available over here. So from here you can just appoint or schedule appointment of that doctor with that patient. I'll schedule a appointment of this doctor by using that activity button. Now in this window, in this activity window, you can select the department into which this patient is going to see the doctor. I'll select the doctor's name. I'll select this one. Now after giving all these details, I'll select the patient type, whether it's IPD or OPD. I'll select it as OPD as it is outpatient, and now I'll check it out for the availability of the doctor, as he'll be available or he'll not be available in different time slots. So from here you can just verify that for which time slots that doctor is not available. So as you can see over here that doctor is not available for this time slot, that is around 2:30 p.m. to 2:45 p.m. So I'll select a different time slot. I'll select this one from around 3:15 p.m. and I'll update it, and I'll save this form so that it will be saved with the patient's record and the doctor appointment will get scheduled with this patient. So now from here you can see that this particular functionality generates a particular appointment number for this patient, which is in this case which is 54. If you click on this patient this appointment number, this window gets pop up again. So after getting all these details, suppose the patient wants to pay the advance payment, so you can use the down payment, or you can use this advance payment functionality of this software. So as you can see in this section called advance payment, here from using this down payment button, you can just click on the down payment button, and a form or another form or window will get open from here, from where you can just register, or you can just give the details of the advance payment for that patient. I'll just select, I'll give the description of the service. I'll select the GL account. Now suppose he is paying around 1000 rupees in the advance for his treatment. So I'll give this all these details, and after giving all these details, I'll select the date that is today's date, and I'll then add it into the system so that it will be saved into the system. So I'll give the 1000 rupees, as he is going to give this amount into in the mode of cash, in the cash format. So I'll just give it in specified here the amount, and after this I'll add it into the system. So I'll select it as yes, and now it got saved into the system. So after saving these details, now as you'll see that in this advance payment form, or in this advance payment section, and another line or another document advance payment gets added over here with this document number called 7. So here you have seen that how you can register a patient into the hospital with such a ease. So this patient record will get saved into the system. Now it got saved. Thanks a lot.